Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Turn off the bathroom circuit at the breaker, labeled 120V, before you begin. Confirm power is off using a non-contact voltage tester on the fixture. Allow the old bulb to cool for 15 minutes and use leather gloves to protect your hands. Gather a ladder rated for 150 kilograms, safety goggles, and a replacement bulb specified for the housing. Buy a 50W halogen or 7W LED equivalent rated for damp locations. Check the fixture depth is at least 3.5 inches for the replacement bulb to fit. Remove the trim by pressing the metal retaining tabs and pulling straight down gently. Place your ladder so you can reach the fixture without leaning or stretching. Support the fixture housing with one hand while you disconnect the bulb to avoid stressing the wiring. For GU10 bulbs, push in and twist anticlockwise to release the bulb from the socket. If the bulb is stuck, apply steady pressure and rotate slowly. Avoid jerking motions. Keep the old bulb in a cardboard box for safe disposal. Inspect the socket and wiring for damage before inserting the new bulb. Insert the new GU10 bulb by aligning the pins, pushing in, and twisting clockwise until it locks. Reattach the trim by aligning tabs and pressing until it snaps into place securely. Use a damp location rated bulb and do not exceed the fixture's 65W maximum lamp rating printed on the housing. Restore power at the breaker and test the light with the wall switch. Confirm there is no flicker or buzzing. If you see flicker, turn off power and check connections or replace the bulb with an LED.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.